boys, welcome back to NC Outdoors, and today we're going to be cooking, which that's not usual because we're usually doing some fishing, but we're going to be making some beef jerky, and we're going to be frying some cheesecake, and we're going to be frying some Oreos as well, so it'll be pretty good.
It's supposed to be pretty good.
The beef jerky is like teriyaki flavored, so
Yeah.
should be pretty good.
It went good the first time. Hopefully it'll go good this time. See you in a minute.
Alright, I'm fixing to cut up this steak right here so we can make it into beef jerky. And yeah, fixing to season it after I cut it up in little pieces. And just lay it like that. Do a couple little small nugget
Yeah,
pieces.
little skinnier pieces.
Yeah. We're fixing to put these pieces of steak that we cut up in the bag and mix it with soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce and garlic powder and onion powder, and let it soak for a little bit in the refrigerator, and then put her on the pan and put her in the oven. And here's what it looks like. And then we're gonna boys, we got all the ingredients in there, and I'm fixing to seal it up and shake it around, and we'll put it in the refrigerator for a little while, maybe about 30 minutes to an hour, and then we'll put her in the oven for a while, and we'll seal it up a little bit better than that. Mix it up real good, get all the seasonings in there. And then put her in the fridge and let her soak for a little bit. And yeah, we'll catch you back when we put her in the oven. Beef jerky in the oven that's been marinated for about 35 minutes, and we're fixing to put them on the pan. We got them all laid out, and we're fixing to put them in the oven. And then we get another wrap. We got two. We got a bunch of beef jerky. And Yeah, we'll let them sit in there for about an hour or two, and should be some good stuff. Catch you then. Get them on plate.
Yeah, yeah. Right, it'll be fine.
It'll be fine. Yeah, you got that. But yeah, that looking pretty good. Be pretty good with our beef jerky and cheesesteak.
Sounds very delicious. This could be worth every penny, or this could be a bust.
Get you in the torture truck. Practice my sport. They're looking good. Already got a couple on the plate. Taking the last ones out here.
These two are stuck together. Can I just cover up the older ones?
Well, heat up. And yeah, we'll catch y'all back when we're doing a food review or tasting. I'm gonna sprinkle some powdered sugar on top of these. See a little bit of that action. Put a little bit more. Wow, we got a puff action going on over here. Oh yeah, she's looking good now. And yeah, we'll catch you back when we eat them. Alright boys, we just finished this good beef jerky right here. It's nice and juicy. Let's give her a test. That's some good stuff right there. Oh man, you like it? Look at that, even the dog likes it. Can't get no better than that. Alright, we got all this food right here. Delicious beef jerky and fried Oreos and fried cheesecake. And it's all good. We're fixing to give this cheesecake a try. Fried cheesecake, here we go. Put it on.